So what beard oil do you use to fix a patchy beard? Well, today that's what we're going to talk about because this is the number one question that I get in my DMs, wondering which beard oil people should use to fix their patchy beard. And the truth is, there is no beard oil that'll fix your patchy beard. And there's a lot of companies out there that will advertise that if you use their products, it's going to fill in your patchy beard. The truth is, a lot of your beard patchiness or how much coverage you get on your face has to do with your DNA. Okay, so some people are just never going to grow a beard. There are some things that will also affect whether or not you can grow your beard. Typically, guys with higher testosterone levels will have a better chance at growing a bigger, fuller beard. A lot of it also has to do with age. My beard in its younger phase still comes in quite patchy, but there is enough coverage that as these kind of hairs lay over top of each other, my beard ends up coming in nice and thick, and you'd never know that in these early phases this is what my beard looked like. Another factor is age. There's so many people, they're 18, 19, 20 years old, and they're like, oh my God, I want to grow this nice big beard. And they just can't, and they get frustrated, and they're looking for the quick fix. Everyone's all about like instant gratification these days, and how do I get that big beard now? Well, a lot of it has to do with patience. My beard when I was 18 didn't look anything like what it does now. I was only able to grow like a really nice sideburn when I was younger, but and a nice mustache, but I wasn't getting any coverage over here, and just a lot of neck beard. So this entire area here, there was like nothing. But then once I hit my mid-20s, it just started growing out. And even up until about 2 or 3 years ago, I had this like massive bald spot like right here where no hair would grow. I mean, you wouldn't notice because like the rest of it would grow in, but the fact is that was there, and now it's gone. And what have I done differently? Nothing. I just waited. I mean, there are products out there that claim that they will help grow your beard that aren't beard oils or aren't from these like false advertising, beard care companies, and that's Minoxidil. Now, I'm not gonna recommend Minoxidil to anyone, but if you want to do your own research and figure out if that's something that you should use, then yeah, go ahead and use it if you feel like that's gonna work for you. But just know that there's a lot of side effects that you need to be aware of, and it could really mess up your skin. It could cause all sorts of side effects that you're not going to want to deal with. But that is one thing that seems to be something that actually does work for a lot of people from what I've seen. I have Kaz over at the Urban Hussar, who I've been talking to quite a bit, and he went through a minoxidil journey, and it really did help him grow out his beard. Dave over at Bearded Motivation right now is going through his first kind of cycle with minoxidil. He's on like week 5 or 6 right now as at the time of recording this video, and he's already saying that he's getting some good positive results. His beard is definitely coming in differently, and he's getting these little smaller blonde hairs that will eventually turn black and thicker and come in nice and strong and thick. So it sounds like minoxidil does probably work, but I'm not going to recommend it to you. Just what I recommend is be patient. Do things maybe that will increase your testosterone, like work out, eat healthy, eat lots of protein, drink lots of water. These are the kind of things that you should really be focusing on. Then just be patient. With time, your beard's going to grow out. So what beard oil is perfect for growing out your beard? None. Beard oil is all about hydrating your beard, taking care of the skin underneath so it doesn't get itchy, and helping your beard feel a bit more soft instead of coarse. And that's what beard oil does. So anytime someone asks me which beard oil to help fill out my patchy skin, I'm going to send you the link to this video. And I mean that in a good way. I'm just trying to, be honest here. And it's just a lot easier sending the link to this video than typing out everything that I just said in a message. I like to talk a lot, so I have been typing out a lot in a message. So it's just going to be easier for me to send out this video. Like this video if you liked it. If you're into beard care tips and product reviews, subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out when I come out with a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.
Perfect.